Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase Hola Barcelona travel card tickets online. So if you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long lines, you can go ahead and purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see right here down in the description of this video. Once you have opened up that link, it's going to take you to the official ticket page right here from where we can get started. So you're going to click the check availability option. That's going to enable you to take a look at all the available dates that you can purchase the tickets for. Let's say I want to purchase tickets for the 11th right here. I'm going to select the date and then it's going to show me what kind of tickets I can go ahead and purchase and the duration of the ticket. So let's say 48 hours. I'm going to click the next button and it's going to take me to this page from where I can see similar experiences I can save money on. If you're not interested, just click no thanks and click next, which is going to take us to the next page. From the next page, we can get started purchasing and filling out our personal details. So you're going to go ahead and enter in your first name, last name, phone number, and so on, which is going to enable us to take us to the final purchase page, which is the payment page. So click next, you go to the payment page. It's going to open up this menu where you can go and take a look at all the payment options you have, such as Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal, and then you can go and select whichever one suits you the most. I'm going to select debit card, and now it's going to open up this new menu from where I can get started filling out my credit card info. Once you filled it out and click the pay button, you're going to make the purchase successfully, after which you're going to receive your tickets on your email address that you have used for registering your account on this website. So there you have it guys. Go to the description of this video, find the first link you see, and it's going to take you to this page from where you can get started purchasing your tickets. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.